The SPOYNAL 12FT Volleyball Net Kit is designed with adjustable height settings, making it suitable for players of all skill levels, whether playing men's, women's, or mixed doubles volleyball. This versatile volleyball net is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, offering the flexibility to enjoy games at the beach, in the gym, or in your backyard. Constructed with 16mm thick fiberglass poles, the net is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, providing long-lasting durability and resistance to UV rays, corrosion, and moisture. The high-density, tear-resistant net material ensures a reliable and professional setup without the need for additional support lines, making it a perfect choice for training and casual play. Each kit includes a portable volleyball net, a carry bag, a premium volleyball with an inflation device, and 4 sturdy ground pegs, allowing for easy and quick setup. The comprehensive design of this volleyball net kit ensures you are well equipped to start playing immediately, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned players.